Yo, welcome back to the How to Make a Tycoon game. So today we are gonna be making a store in Unity, so let's get straight into it. So go UI and then panel, and then this is our panel. Then scale it down to a reasonable size, and then yeah, it's our panel. But one problem is actually, let's make that there. Um, if we move scale the screen like this, it stretches in a weird way, and we don't want that. So let's fix it to make it a bit bigger. So what we want to do, grab these little thingies, they called anchor points, and then drag them to the corners of your panel. That will fix the problem. So now if we scale the screen like this, as you see, the border moves with the screen. So pretty cool. And then what we want to do, we want to go under our panel and make UI text. So I messed around and I found, so re so type in the text box um shoe, wait, I know I didn't, shoe store, shoe store, and then I've messed around and found 43 is a good, but our text does disappear. This is because the text box is too small. So what we want to do, just drag this a bit bigger, and then there we go. And then make that blue or whatever color you want. And then for alignment, say center and center, and then just do that so that's a bit more central. And then what we can do, um say UI legacy, and then button, and then I'm just gonna keep the button like this for time purposes. And then you can, and then it's not gonna be functional right now because that's for another video, but just create it in the meantime. So UI and then slider. So what's this gonna do is there's gonna be a timer, that there's gonna be a timer, and the slider's gonna show the timer, and once that slider's complete, once it reaches here, our money will go up by 10. So that will be pretty cool. And our money's not going up right now because I'm an idiot. Go to button. Okay, let me just click here. It's not working like that for some reason. Button, and then on click, and then drag the canvas or whatever you added the add money script on, we made in a previous video. So canvas add money, and then say add, And then if we press play, hopefully it should work. While it will work. And then, yeah, as I said, the slider we will do in a different video. Just use your imagination or something for now. Well, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.